Hi, this is Rob Clutter with Eco Panels of Tennessee here at our manufacturing plant at Hermitage Springs, Tennessee. Now, I've been involved in building and construction for over 30 years. And one of the things that I've noticed change, and I hear this from a lot of contractors, is the quality of materials that you can buy today. It is difficult to find straight framing lumber. And it makes it more difficult to build a straight house using crooked materials that still cost a ton of money, am I right? Here at Eco Panels of Tennessee, when we manufacture a panel, such as our patented corner, it's always straight. Our wall panels are always square. They're not crooked because they're formed in our manufacturing process in a steel press. If you'd like to find out more how you can build your home straighter, safer, and more efficiently with an Eco Panels of Tennessee SIP system, please contact us. Our email address is info@ecopanelsoftn.com, and we look forward to hearing from you.